I was you, pal.
Let me lay this out for you. This place is mine now. Sid says jump, you say how high. Hey, comprende. Now, fetch us some pop-tarts from the kitchen, Jeeves. Oh, and he's happy about it. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. That's more like it. You eat breakfast, sir. Perhaps
Oh, you missed it. There you go, babe. Oh, you keep missing it. You're too nervous about the camera? Don't look at the camera. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. You don't like the camera, do you?
In we go.